I'm in the big sand. Bunker shots are my speciality. I like to record it. It's recording now. So I want it to film me so people can learn.
Learn and listen.
No, just learn. You can listen to them. Right. Got it?
Got it all in.
Ball? Yeah?
Yes, we have the challenge ahead. I'm filming the challenge ahead.
I want to see the whole line. Right, ready?
And we're off. Yes, got it up there. Oh, a good shot.
Good shot. That's a good shot, isn't
It was fantastic. That's the way to play golf.
Very big. Pardon?
That's the way to play golf.
You know, someone said, oh, fucking hell. I'm breaking up as well.
And you can see him clearing up his mess.